Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you on our channel. And today, as always, I will tell you about the latest news from the construction site of the second phase of Layan Green Park. The apartments in phase 2 will not only be beautiful, but also truly cozy. For glazing, we chose SCHÜCO windows. This German brand has been a world leader in architectural and profile systems for over 70 years. Their solutions are distinguished by high quality, energy efficiency, and modern design. SCHÜCO windows and doors provide excellent thermal and sound insulation, which is especially important in the climate of Phuket and helps create a stable and comfortable microclimate in the apartments. All year round, in Building F, the pouring of the load-bearing frame continues. We have already completed the slab and the 4th floor ceiling and are now in the process of pouring the 5th. Overall progress on the frame pouring in the first zone has reached 67%. Additionally, the installation of pipes for electrical wiring on the 4th floor has been completed. In Building G, more than 30% of the architectural work has already been completed. We have completed the masonry of the interior walls from the 1st to the 5th floor and continue to erect walls on the 6th and 7th floors. On the 1st floor, plastering work is fully completed. On the 2nd floor, it is 90% done, and on the 3rd floor, it has already begun. The hot and cold water supply systems have been installed on the 3rd and 4th floors, and in the apartments on the 5th and 6th floors, cold water and sewage pipes have already been laid. Active electrical installation work is underway. On the 5th floor, we are laying cables along the walls, and on the ceiling of the 1st floor, this stage has already been completed. Also, on the 6th floor, the installation of fan coils is being completed, and the installation of cable trays for communication, internet, and video surveillance is ongoing. Building H is also actively progressing. Architectural work is more than 20% complete. The installation of interior walls is finished on the 5th floor, and we continue work on the 6th and 7th floors. The hot and cold water supply systems have already been installed in the bathrooms and guest rooms on the 2nd and 4th floors. And on the 5th floor, the installation of cold water and drainage pipes is completed. We are laying electrical cables on the 2nd floor and finishing the installation of fan coils on the 6th floor. On the 7th floor, these works are already in the final stage. Simultaneously, we are installing cable trays for internet and video surveillance systems. In Building K, the pouring of the load-bearing frame is 100% complete. Currently, work on pouring the stair flights is ongoing, and on the 2nd floor, the sewage pipes have already been laid. On the section of Building L, where our future swimming pool will be located, work on the foundations is continuing. The excavation of rocky soil is 75% complete, and the foundation pouring is at 45%. The onsen pool is already fully ready. It is 100% poured. The pouring of the slab for the first underground floor is also continuing. Well, as you can see, the construction process is progressing confidently, which means we are getting closer to completion, the second phase. Well, I want to remind you that if you are considering purchasing real estate on the island of Phuket, I recommend paying attention to our project because the prices at the construction stage are even more attractive and the quality of the project speaks for itself. Subscribe to our channel to not miss updates. That's all for today. See you next month.